Welcome to our guide on developing a mobile app for tracking environmental impact. Today, we'll explore valuable resources to help you on this journey. First, let's dive into some insightful books. The Zero Waste Lifestyle by Amy Korst offers practical tips on reducing waste and living sustainably. The Story of Stuff by Annie Leonard provides a critical look at consumer culture and emphasizes the importance of sustainability and community. For a vision of sustainable design, check out The Upcycle by William McDonough and Michael Braungart. It highlights the benefits of a circular economy. Podcasts are another great resource. Outrage and Optimism explores the intersection of climate change and business, featuring expert interviews. YouTube videos like The Story of Solutions by Annie Leonard offer critical insights into consumer culture and the role of activism in sustainability. AI tools such as Ecolabel Index provide comprehensive databases of ecolabels, helping you understand the benefits of sustainability and certification. Finally, consider taking courses like Sustainability and Environmental Management by Harvard University to deepen your knowledge and make strategic decisions.